Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Be Natural JA, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I transformed my closet. And before I get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on your post notifications, give this video a great big thumbs up, and leave all your comments down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm starting off by taking out these two shelves that they already had installed, and they came out very easy. I thought they were nailed down, that's why I had the hammer, but they were just placed on top of the borders that was in the closet, so I just easily popped those out and I had the closet empty. So next I'm gonna go ahead and sweep out the closet to get started. Next I'm just gonna go ahead and get some water, some mild soapy water, and wipe down the walls of the closet. Okay, so once the walls have dried, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my contact paper on the walls. This is not wallpaper, it's just regular contact paper that I got from Walmart, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the wall. I'll also go ahead and link all the items that I used in this video in the description box below. One thing to note guys, you want to take your time and do this part because it can get a bit messy if you want your lines to be straight and if you want the paper to look uniform as if it's one paper. You guys have to take your time with putting this on the wall. Just be careful. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint the rods that were in the closet. I'll be reusing these, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint it silver. Next, I'll be adding a cube organizer to my closet. So this is what I'm gonna be building now. So next I'll be adding my shoe organizer, and I got this from Walmart as well. And this shoe rack, it holds around 10 pairs of shoes. I think, yeah, it's 10 pairs of shoes. And here is the finished organizer I'm adding here. And these cubes, I actually had these for a year now, and I got them from the Dollar Tree, and they've held up really nicely. This is the finished look of my closet, guys. I really loved how it turned out. And side note, the crossbars here in the closet, those are contact papers as well. It's in the wood finish, and I got those from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, this is my finished closet. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a great big thumbs up and leave all your comments down below. And until next time, bye guys.